Hi, boys and girls. So for this week for phonics, you boys and girls will be reviewing all diphthongs that we have been learning about. Remember, diphthongs are the rock stars of vowels. They make a unique and different sound. On each slide, Miss Laspiza has the diphthong here for you. She also has some sentences that have the diphthongs in it, as well as words and the placement of where to find each diphthong. Make sure to say each sound out loud too. The first diphthong we worked on this year so far was OO. OO has two sounds. It has the short sound like as in look or shook. OO also makes the long sound like ooh, as in moon or spoon. Again, OO is found in the middle of the word. Here's the sentence to help us remember. The moose likes to cook by the pool. Our next two diphthongs we learned about were OI and OY. These both say the same sound. They say oi. OI is found in the middle of the word, as in point or spoil. OY is found at the end of the word, as in joy or soy. The boy found a coin by the soil. Again, OI and OY say what sound, friends? Oi. Very good job, boys and girls. Our next diphthongs get a little tricky, so make sure we put the listening ears on here. OW has two placements, sorry friends. OW makes the ow sound. And think about when you get hurt or if you bump your knee or elbow on something, you say ow. Very good job. OW can be found in the end of the word, like as in now or how. OW can also be found in the middle of the word, followed by three letters though, N, L, or ER, as in town or flower. It's very important, friends, if you hear that N, L, or sound, you know that you're using OW, friends. Here's a sentence to help us. The brown cow had to take a shower. The diphthong that also makes the ow sound is OU. Notice OU is found in the middle of the word, like as in shout or round. Again, I like to think about if you bang your elbow or your knee, you say ow. Very good job, friends. It's the same sound for these diphthongs. A round white cloud was in front of the house. This, again, diphthong says ow. Let's move on to our next couple of diphthongs that we've been working on. So AW also has two placements, so be very careful here, friends. AW can be found at the end of the word, as in saw or jaw. Everyone has a jaw by your mouth. AW can also be found in the middle of the word, followed by N or L. Be careful here, friends, as in lawn or crawl. She saw an eagle on her front lawn and decided to draw it. So just like we had our diphthong before, OW, we are now working on AW, and just be careful here because AW is in the middle of the word followed by N or L. Our next diphthong also says the aw sound. However, AU is only found in the middle of the word, as in sauce or launch. The boy enjoys eating his pasta with sauce. So here, if you notice, AU is found in the middle of the word. And finally, let's move on to last week's diphthongs. We worked on these three that make the same sound. These all say the oo sound. Okay, friends? Be careful with their placements though, where they're found in the word. So let's make sure we review these here. EW is normally at the end of the word, as in do or through. The crew can chew and blow bubbles with the sticky gum. So if you notice, we have through and chew, and these all say the oo sound. Next diphthong we have is UE, and UE is found at the end of the word as in blue or glue. Again, UE says the oo sound. Sue has blue gum on the book that was due today. The final diphthong that we have worked on this year so far is UI. UI is found in the middle of the word rare. Means that it's not found that often, friends, as in fruit or suit. The blue suit had a fruit stain on it. So boys and girls, this week we are going to be reviewing all of our diphthongs that we have worked on this year. Make sure to say the sounds out loud and be careful about where the diphthongs are in each word. I hope this video helped you, boys and girls. Have a nice Monday. Bye.